Peace, family. I just want to talk to y'all about the U.S. Pluto Return. So the U.S. Pluto Return happens on February 22nd of 2022. So in about 2-3 months, there is going to be a culmination of things that have to do with Plutonian things, the rebirth of the United States. Now, the Pluto position, natal position of the U.S. is in Capricorn. So it is making that full round back into Capricorn. Capricorn has everything to do with the fundamental structures that our society runs on, which would be government, education, finances, status, and that general day-to-day grind that we all are susceptible to and have been susceptible to for centuries. And that is finally coming to a final return. So you remember back when the United States was created, it was based off the idea of the oppression and the hidden agendas of governments that we didn't agree to. So it is based off those ideas that those themes are now coming back full circle. So during the American Revolution, there was oppressive taxes, unnecessary regulation of resources, a hidden agenda, which was, of course, the baseline background story behind how America was created by a secret society or collection of secret societies, and the whole idea that the government, as well as other officials, are corrupt. There is corruption that resides within our system, as well as within ourselves, based off of these systems, because these systems exist, because the patriarchal oppression that the United States has been susceptible to has created this grind, need for power, this need for all the finances, never having enough, and this general mentality of life's hard and shit's not getting any better. So I would like to let you know that I would make arrangements for yourself between now and 2024, when the U.S. Pluto return finally ends or comes to its full peak and culmination. Because at that point, I'll give you this perspective. Would you, in 1776, would you want to be here during the American Revolution? During all that tension and political uproar and the revealing of corruption within our own governments? Would you want to be around that? Would you want to be around all that violence? Would you want to be a part of it? Would you want to be a part of that uprising? Or would you want to live outside of it, watching it from a distance, watching it from perhaps an eco-village or a community that's sustaining themselves and is creating more sustainability for the future of society? Where would you like to be? Would you like to be part of the revolution or the rebuilding? And you can be part of the revolution if you're a part of the rebuilding, because you facilitate the vision that's supposed to come after. So I'm just letting y'all know, with all of that happening, and that it's not just the U.S. that's coming to a Pluto return, it's multiple countries, but the U.S. has managed to dictate its influence all around the globe. So expect that if there's a political uproar or a second American Revolution that brings down our government because we aren't doing all these regulations that they're bringing up, and we aren't doing anything forced that's completely against what we've always been about, right? So with that being said, take a I don't say take this with a grain of salt, because this is astrology. This is the planets. So take this and plan accordingly. Um, yeah. Definitely get away from any craziness if you can't handle it, any instability if you can't handle it, and essentially maybe even this country, because until that government comes down and the uproar stops, we can't bring in those new earth regulations, jurisdiction, status, way of life. But when the time comes, we will be extremely ready if we take the time to become sustainable societies outside of this revolution. So peace to you, and have a blessed have a blessed few years with this one. Yeah, enjoy that. Peace to you.